festive wreath. I picked up these adorable scarves and bandanas from the Dollar Tree. There's the scarf. Cute little gnome bandana. This is the style wreath you'll need. I picked up some of these festive 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day festive flowers. And a burlap style bow. You'll need glue for your glue gun and a pair of screws. Is take the tags off of everything. Some of them are easier than others. I believe these scarves are a 2-pack. Yes. Bandanas. The scarf is only one. I haven't seen the Patriotic bandanas and scarves at the other Dollar Trees. The one I went to yesterday had a nice selection. I love how they're a 2-pack. You gotta be careful because I believe they're attached together. You don't want to ruin them. Let's see what we can get done here. With these cute bandanas and scarves. Make sure they're all separated. There's a tag on this one. Put all the tags aside. And this one's got a bread tie. I'm going to leave the bread tie with it so I can attach it to my wreath here. And also take off the stickers, depending on where they are on the flower. So I'll be doing the flower pieces, not the bottom part. Don't want to damage the sprig either. Love these. They look like a firework. Those have little stars with the white flower. I think I'm going to start by working with the scarf. And there's a tag on the wreath as well. And look at floral department from the Dollar Tree and their crafter square. I'm getting better at my crafting. Yeah, got the wreath here. I'm going to cut the little tab off the actual scarf here. And we're going to tie it on. And you're going to wrap it around. goes out of the way. I'm going to continue to do this until it's completely wrapped around. This is what it's starting to look like. I'm going to continue the process until all of the scarf is wrapped around the wreath. A little bit of a tail here. Make a loop. And you're going to pull it through. And this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to do the bandanas around this one. And on this side, it's going to have the flowers and then the bow down here at the middle. Or at the top even. Give you an idea of what it's going to look like with the flowers. Attach my bow. That's why I left the bread ties on. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue when we're done wrapping the scarves and the bandanas on the back of the bow so it's secure on the wreath. I got this bandana. I'm going to cut all the little tags off because you don't want any tags shown. And you're going to do the same thing. I'm going to leave a little bit of a tail to tie it off. I'm going to glue the bandana, make sure it's completely secure. That one's tied good. I'm going to use the gnome one. I'm going to wrap it up the side here. Cut the tag off. Got a flag and a gnome and they're a 2-pack. I'm going to glue, because there's not enough tail, I'm going to glue the excess fabric on so it stays in place. another bandana and you're going to fill in the area that's viewable. You're just going to fill it in. Take your glue, your glue gun, just secure it. I'm going to wrap it around and then secure it. What you want. I'm going to use these ones and the ones that look like fireworks, I think. Let's take off the tops here. Definitely the red. I think the red will make it pop. This is how I want the flowers to lay down on the wreath. And I'm going to glue them and I'll show you what they look like. Finished look. If you wanted to, you could do the bandanas all the way around. I did 2, 4, 6, 3 bandanas and I used 5 with 1 scarf. So you would need probably 10 bandanas and 2 scarves to go all the way around. I like it with the flowers on it and then the bow up at the top. I like it with the flowers on it, then the bow up at the top. Just tuck in all the extra